Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the threat. Disconnect Ethernet and Wi-Fi, unplug unnecessary drives, and stop data exfiltration. Once done, reboot into safe mode. Hold Shift while selecting Restart so only essential drivers run. Make sure to note the exact App Store app name and any suspicious process in Task Manager. You will need those identifiers. Run a quick portable antivirus scan from a known clean USB if available, so you begin removing active components before deeper cleanup. Now you perform the heavy lifting. Disable the app startup entries with auto runs or msconfig, then terminate its processes in Task Manager. Once stopped, run a full system scan with Windows Defender and a second reputable scanner. Different engines catch different artifacts. After scans, delete leftover program files from program files and app data, and search registry for the app name to remove malicious keys. Export keys first in case you need to restore. Finally, check Task Scheduler for persistence tasks and delete them. Finish by restoring safe operation. Clear browser caches and extensions, reset any store account passwords, and enable multi-factor authentication to block re-entry. Make sure to run follow-up scans over the next 72 hours and monitor network activity for unusual connections. Persistent callbacks mean something remains. If you still see symptoms, create a disk image backup and consider offline forensic cleanup or professional help. Do not keep logging into compromised accounts while the machine is suspect. One troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, boot from clean rescue media and repeat scans to eliminate hidden services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.